In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove stickers from favorites on WhatsApp Web. Stickers are a fun way to express yourself during a chat, but over time, your favorites can get cluttered with stickers that you may not use anymore. So, let's walk through the simple steps to tidy up your favorites list on WhatsApp Web. Start by opening any chat window on WhatsApp Web. It doesn't matter who you're chatting with or what the conversation is about. The important thing is to have a chat open so you can access the sticker options. Now, focus your attention on the message box at the bottom of the chat. Next to where you would usually type your message, you'll see an emoji icon, a familiar little face. Click this icon. Instantly, a panel will pop up displaying emojis, GIFs, and stickers. From here, you want to navigate to the Stickers tab. It's usually easy to spot. Just look for a small sticker icon somewhere among the tabs. Click on this icon to open the world of stickers available for your use. Inside the Stickers tab, you'll see various sections, and one of these sections is marked with a star icon, indicating it's for your favorites. This is where all the stickers you've marked as favorites are stored. Now, browse through the favorites section and find the sticker you want to remove. Take your time scrolling through them until you spot the sticker that no longer serves its purpose for you, or perhaps the one you've just outgrown. Once you've identified the sticker you'd like to remove, you can move on to the next step. If you're using a mouse, right-click the sticker you want to say goodbye to. Alternatively, if there's a three-dot menu present, go ahead and click that. Either option will lead you to the next crucial part of this process. Now, here comes the easy part. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Remove from Favorites. Click this option, and with that action, your chosen sticker will vanish from your coveted favorites list. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a sticker from your favorites section on WhatsApp Web. By managing your favorites, you can keep your sticker collection relevant and fresh, ensuring that only your most loved, most used stickers are just a click away. This process is quite straightforward, but taking the time to curate your stickers can make your WhatsApp experience just a little bit better. Thanks for following along with this guide. Be sure to check back for more tips on optimizing your communication tools, keeping everything streamlined and efficient. Until next time, happy chatting.